must be you again. You have gone straight to my head. Take the pills and go to bed, but I'm still hooked on this. You are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith that He will manifest some way when I am next to you. Asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. Thought of you in the white dress. I don't think I can shake it. Get a little place upstate. Stay till the kids all graduate. Talk of moving every day. Who are we kidding? We made all our memories here, felt our joys and shed our tears. And when the Holy Ghost appears, He sends me back a few more years. I'll be buried next to you, where we'll keep on turning to. But if I am next to you,